Hello, everyone. Today, we will learn 3 very useful prepositions: in, on, and at. These words are small, but they are very important in English. We use in for bigger places, months, years, and enclosed spaces. We use on for surfaces, days, dates, and things connected with a line or platform.
We use at for exact time, exact place, and specific points. For example, we say, I am in the room. The book is on the table, and I am at the gate. If we understand these 3 words clearly, our English sentences become more correct and natural. I am in the classroom. She is in the kitchen. The children are playing in the garden. My books are in the bag. He lives in Delhi. We are in India. The fish is in the water. There is milk in the glass. I was born in 2010. My birthday is in July.
We study in the morning. It is cold in winter. The teacher is in the office. There are many students in the hall. She is sitting in the car. The money is in my pocket. He works in a company. I saw a bird in the sky. The answer is in the book. We will meet in the evening.
The book is on the table. The pen is on the desk. The picture is on the wall. The fan is on the ceiling. My phone is on the bed. The cat is sitting on the chair. We have a class on Monday. The exam is on Friday. My birthday is on 5th May. There is a mark on your shirt.
He is talking on the phone. I watched a movie on TV. She wrote her name on the paper. The bus is on the road. There is dust on the window. The students are on the stage. The keys are on the shelf. We went there on foot. He is on duty today. The lecture is on heat transfer.
I will use in for inside or bigger area. In a room, in India, in July. Use on for surface, day, or date. On the table, on Monday, on 5th May. Use at for exact time or exact place. At 9 a.m., at the gate, at home.